In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can create an animated background in Zoom using Canva. So the first thing that you need to do is you have to open a design in Canva. And I do recommend to use the aspect ratio of 16:9. One example is a YouTube thumbnail, and also you can use the template for desktop wallpaper and also a presentation. Those documents do have 16:9 aspect ratio because the aspect ratio in Zoom is also 16:9. So we want to make sure that every single visual element in the design or in the animation will appear as a Zoom background. Now, in order to add some elements, you can navigate to the element section, and then you can search for animations or the style of background that you want to incorporate. For example, I'm going to search for looping animation. I think looping is going to be the best because it's just difficult to distinguish when the animation starts or when it will end, because it is always looping. And after that, you can go to the videos and you'll see there are plenty of different animation styles, and it's really up to you which one that you want to use. I'm gonna go with this simple animation. I think it looks pretty, and you want to make sure that it is covering the entire area of this one. And there you go. And of course, you can also add some stickers. This if you go to the graphic section, you'll see plenty of cool animations like this, and you can just click on any of them to be inserted into your document. So I think this is very helpful to make your background in Zoom to be more attractive. And when you're done, you can click the download button, and then you can insert a document to Zoom. The download button is available right here. You can click share, click download, and then you make sure to select MP4. That's the format that is the best. And for the quality, you can go down to 720p because it's actually good enough. But if you want to get the best version or you want to get HD quality, then go with 1080p and click download. So what's going to happen now is Canva will render the video, and later you can get this MP4 file to your computer, and later you can upload that to Zoom. So anyway, that's how you can create an animation in Canva to be used as a Zoom background. If you want this video to be helpful, please consider subscribing to this channel, and I'll see you on the next video.